So the next question. A 1.45 meter tall boy is standing at some distance from a 30 meter tall building. The angle of elevation from his eyes to the top of the building increases from 30 degree to 60 degree as he walks towards the building. Find the distance he walked towards the building. So there is a boy and the height of the boy is given as 1.5 meter. There is a building. The height of the building is not given. And the boy is walking towards the building. That is also clearly mentioned. And the question says that at first the angle of elevation is 30 degree, and when he walks towards the building, the angle of elevation increases from 30 to 60 degree. And we have to find the distance he walked towards the building. So suppose this is a tall building and this is the boy. Okay, so boy is standing at some distance from the building. And what we have to do is the boy has to walk towards the building. At first the position of the boy is this one, and the boy is walking towards the building. Okay, and there are 2 points. You can see a first spot here. So at first the boy was standing here, and when he walks towards the building, the second position, let it be here. And we have to find, in the question itself it is given that at first when he was in this position, the spotted position, the angle of elevation is given as 30 degree, and when he is in this position, the angle of elevation is given as 60 degree. If we need to find the angle of elevation, what all we require? We require the line of sight and the horizontal level, isn't it? Can you say the horizontal level? So this will be the horizontal level, isn't it? And this brown colored line will be the line of sight. So can you see a triangle here? This will be the base, this will be the height, and this will be the, what is that, hypotenuse. Okay, when the boy moves to the second position also, the same thing happens. Will the angle of elevation be the same when the boy moves towards the front? No. In that case, I will show the angle of elevation. So now you can see the first position of the boy here. Now he is in the second position, and the angle of elevation is this case. In this case is given as 60 degree. Okay, so in the first case the angle of elevation was given as 30 degree, and in this case it is given as 60 degree. And the question is to find how much distance he walked towards the building. That means we have to find the distance between the spotted point and the boy, the second position of the boy. We have to find what the distance traveled by the boy from the first position to the second position. Okay. So I am going to draw the figure. So let this be the building. Let AB be the building. CD be the boy. Okay. Then obviously BD will be the ground level. This will be the ground level. So that I marked here as BD. Then I can draw a perpendicular line like this. And let this be E. This will be the, what is that, horizontal level, which you are seeing in the white color. And if I join AC, that will be the line of sight, which you are seeing in the brown color. And if dotted line makes the horizontal level and this is the line of sight, this will be the angle of elevation, isn't it? In the first case. And in the first case it is given as 30 degree. Suppose in the second, after walking towards the building, suppose the boy be in the position FG. Okay, then also horizontal level remains the same, and the line of sight will be a line joining AG, and the angle of elevation is given as 60 degree. Okay, and the question is to find the distance he walked towards the building. That means we have to find the distance between this point to this point. And in the figure, can you say which distance we have to find? We have to find the distance of FD. From the figure, it is clear that the distance of FD is the same as distance of CG. Okay, again, which all are the right triangle? We will be leaving out this portion. We will be only considering the top portion. And the height of the building is given as 30 meter tall building. CD is the boy who is 1.5 meter high. So what will be EB? EB will also be 1.5 meter, isn't it? AB is given as 30 meter. EB is 1.5 meter, same as the height of the boy. Then can you say what is AE? AE will be AB minus BE, isn't it? AB is 30 meter, which is the height of the building, minus BE is 1.5 meter, which is the height of the boy. So you are getting the value as 28.5 meters. So AE is 28.5. In this question, don't forget to calculate AE. Don't use AB. We can only apply AE here. So we are going to take the triangle AEG. AEG. This is a right triangle. So in right triangle AEG, we know the length of AE and we need EG. Actually, we need FD, which is equal to CG, and CG is a part of EC, isn't it? So instead of finding EC directly, what we are going to do is we are going to calculate EG. To find EG, we are taking the triangle AEG. In that triangle, angle is given as 60 degree, opposite side is 28.5, and we need the adjacent side. So which is the relation connecting opposite side and adjacent side? It is tan. So tan 60 is equal to opposite side AE divided by adjacent side EG. What is tan 60? Tan 60, the value is root 3. Root 3 is equal to AE is given as 28.5 by EG. We don't know the value. So we are getting EG as, when we cross multiply, root 3 comes to the denominator, EG goes to the numerator. EG is 28.5 by root 3. We are not going to rationalize this because this is not our final value. Again, we will be taking the next triangle. Can you say which is the next right triangle? We are taking triangle AEC. AEC. In the triangle, opposite side, the angle is 30 degree. Opposite side we know 28.5, and we need to calculate EC. So which is the relation here also? It is tan. Tan 30 is equal to AE, opposite side, divided by EC. Tan 30, what is the value? 1 by root 3 is equal to AE is 28.5 divided by, instead of EC is the full distance, isn't it? Instead of EC, I can split it as EG plus GC. Why? Because the length of EG I know and the length of GC we need to find. So instead of EC, I am splitting it as EG plus GC. Again, if I cross multiply, what I get is EG plus GC is equal to 28.5 root 3. 1 into this term gives you EG plus GC. 28.5 into root 3 gives you 28.5 root 3. Again, value of EG we know from the previous one. So put that value, 28.5 by root 3 plus GC is equal to 28.5 root 3. From that, CG or GC equal to 28.5 root 3, which is there on the right side, and if we take it to the right side, minus 28.5 by root 3. There are two terms. This is one term, this is the second term. What is common there? 28.5 is common. So what is the first term balance? Root 3 minus, here what is the balance? 1 by root 3. So this will be equal to 28.5. If I take the denominator root 3 into LCM of the denominator, root 3 into root 3 gives you 3 minus 1 by root 3. So we are getting 28.5 into 3 minus 1 is 2, 2 by root 3. Again we can rationalize by multiplying with the root 3. So we are getting 28.5 into 2 into root 3 divided by root 3 into root 3. So we got 28.5 into 2 into root 3 by root 3 into root 3, isn't it? So we are getting root 3 into root 3 is 3. 28.5 into 2 into root 3 divided by 3. 28.5 into 2. 28 into 2 is 56. 0.5 into 2 is 1. So 56 plus 1 gives you 57 root 3 divided by 3. 3 and 57 can be cancelled, giving you 19. 19 root 3 meter. What was the question? The distance he walked towards the building. We got the value of CG as 19 root 3 meter. CG was equal to, actually the question was to find FD. From the figure it is clear that FD is equal to CG, and that value is 19 root 3 meters. So the height the distance he walked towards the building is 19 root 3 meter.